Hey, what's up there guys? It's that Tamiya guy here again. Now if you guys have had a look at my Instagram page, you'll know that I'm a huge fan of the TA06MS and the other TRF and the awesome MS chassis that the Big T produces. So I wanted to give you a little bit of a show through of this one here today. So this is the TA06MS chassis. Now as a limited edition chassis, it is item number 84352. So it's an evolution of the TA06, so it is the dual deck design. So you can see it there, you get it standard in the box, which is a 2.5mm carbon fibre chassis plate and a centerline battery mount here, which is also 2.5mm piece. A lot of cool stuff comes with the kit straight out of the box. So you get a pretty cool option parts, which is the double carbon joint shafts. You also get the TRF special dampers, so you can see them there. They're really good bit of gear. They're black, hard coated. You also get a high torque servo saver right up in there. Where is it? There she is, right up in there. Of course, a nice close-up shot here of the inboard mounted front suspension. So with the shocks being here rather than at the front, you can actually mount those really low bodies on, which is cool. And you know, some of the cool NSX bodies I like, which they look really trick on these. Like I said, it does come with a whole bunch of really cool parts. So the direct drive coupling at the front, which is a 39 tooth. Now again, dual belt drive, like I said earlier, they are low friction belt drives that you get. So these belts are off the TRF 416, which is the base chassis from the 934 RSR, I do believe, the 30th anniversary kit. You also get 23mm aluminium turnbuckle sets. You get 5mm aluminium ball connectors. Now you can see everything's really cool, blue anodized. I love that look. I love just having this on the shelf just to look at. I think it looks like an absolute piece of art. A lot of the stuff that the Big T produces, I just love the look of. Rather, like I said, I have spoken about it before, I do love actually building and collecting rather than using so much. But you know, this is another one of those pieces that I just love to look at. Three-piece steering shed here, you can see at the front, absolutely awesome bit of gear. Now they do come out of the box with the wheels, but no tyres. So I've just chucked these cheapy on-road tyres on it so I can just sit on the shelf and look a little nice. So specifications on this are pretty cool. So it is a total length of 371 mils and a total width of 187 millimeters. Wheelbase is 257 millimeters, and like I said, it does have some pretty cool stuff. So the ratio that you do get is a 6.41 to 1. That's when you're using the kit supplied 68 tooth spur and 23 tooth pinion. Now with these MS kits and with the other TRF kits, you get no electronics, so you don't get a motor, nothing else that comes with it. I always chuck a little servo on just so I can get the steering looking nice and straight when it's on the shelf. I'm going to do a little bit more footage of the other MS chassis that I've got. So I've got a TB05 Evolution and a TA05MS as well. So I'll do some other videos of them a little bit later on, but I do update my Instagram page pretty regularly. So if you did want to follow me on Instagram, it is @TamiyaGuy, all one word, no underscores in there. So yeah, I'd love to have you follow me and have you keep an update on all the stuff that I am posting. But like I said, this is one of my favourite kits. I wanted to sort of feature this one first. So thanks guys, thank you very much for watching, do appreciate it.